To search for things with Google Chrome mobile app for iPhone. First, you need to install the app on your iPhone if you have not done that. Then tap on it for it to open. As the browser opens, you'll have a clean interface for the first time. So, tap in the area with the information, search or type URL and search for what you want to get to. Okay, in this case, let me tap there. And then I want to search for the latest news update in United States. So I will start typing. Once you're done typing the information you want to search for, you may have some suggestions listed just as you can see on this screen right now, but I don't want to go with any of those suggestions. So tap on the Go button at the bottom right of the iPhone keyboard. This will return some search results for you. So you can tap on any for you to access the information. For example, if I'm interested in CNN, breaking news, latest news, and videos, so I'll tap on that for it to open fully. Once the page opens, you can read through the information on that page. Alright, so it has a lot of information contained here, so you can read through. Then let me walk you through on another way to search for items or things on Google Chrome mobile app. Another way to search for things on Google Chrome mobile app is by visiting a direct link or a direct website. For you to do that, tap on the same area with search or type URL. Then type the link. So let's say I want to access Forbes.com in this case. So I will type www.forbes.com. Once you finish typing the link you want to access or the website you want to access, tap on Go. And this has returned us to the Forbes homepage, which displays the latest news and other information on the website. An additional tip, you can change from mobile site to desktop site. When you make these changes, you will be able to view a web page or a website the way it will be when you're accessing it on a computer. And for you to switch to desktop site, tap on the three dots at the bottom right. Okay, here I'm on Amazon website. Okay, now drag up until you see the option to request desktop site. Once the page opens, you will find yourself on a page that looks like this, which is more of desktop view. All right, how it will look when you access it, when you access the website with your computer or laptop. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to this channel by hitting on the subscribe button to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube recommend this content to more people. Thank you.